Welcome to today's edition of the AI watching stock news, deal tracker, and advancements in artificial intelligence. Hey folks, Sam Mowers here, back with another episode of the AI. For stock news today, IBM is providing its new traffic analysis hub to fight human trafficking. U.S. Bank has hired an AI lead, and Fair Isaac Corporation has added new product families to combat fraud. Then we'll look at some projections for the military, AI, and cybernetics market. So IBM, which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol IBM, is combating human trafficking with its Watson Discovery, natural language processing, and public cloud technology. The firm has co-created a new technology resource called Traffic Analysis Hub, or TA Hub, which enables authorized organizations such as financial service companies, NGOs, and law enforcement agencies to collaborate systematically on a continuous basis. Guillermo Miranda, the global head of IBM Corporate Social Responsibility, commented, quote, "We're optimistic that technologies such as AI can be an important part of improving the lives of so many people. What's also key here is the collaboration of public, private, and not-for-profit sectors addressing the issue together. They're telling us that the shared knowledge and intelligence from the Traffic Analysis Hub will enable them to make real progress in addressing human trafficking," end quote. U.S. Bank Corp, which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol USB, has hired Dr. Tanushree Luke to lead artificial intelligence efforts at the company. Luke had previously served as the head of predictive AI and machine learning for Capital One's conversational AI platform Eno. Capital One, by the way, is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol COF. Dominic Venturo, the Chief Innovation Officer at U.S. Bank, said, quote, "Tanu has been a respected thought leader for more than 15 years in cutting-edge technology domains. She has the right experience, a dynamic combination of strategic vision and technical acumen, and a deep understanding of underlying trends that will help U.S. Bank deliver tremendous value and insight for our customers and employees," end quote. Fair Isaac Corporation, which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol FICO, is adding FICO identity proofing and FICO user authentication to its portfolio, along with the acquisition of fraud prevention firm EasyMcom. According to the press release, FICO identity proofing allows organizations to digitally onboard new customers without requiring in-person verification, and FICO user authentication is a comprehensive suite of capabilities including multi-factor, biometric, and behavioral authentication. These new product families leverage AI and machine learning to combat fraud. Now we'll leave stocks aside for the day and take a look at a report from BIS Research, which finds that the global military AI and cybernetics market will grow from a revenue of $4.77 billion in 2018 to $13.11 billion in 2024. That's with a compound annual growth rate of 18.66% in the forecast period. An excerpt from the report's press release reads, quote, "The increasing demand for modern defense systems, data handling techniques, and fabrication of complex problems with time, such as terrorism, trespassing, sleeper cells, etc., are some of the factors due to which various countries are investing for upgrading the current military technologies with artificial intelligence." The market is currently witnessing a high growth rate owing to the rising demand of AI for developing military equipment for various platforms such as land, air, naval, and space. The acceptance of artificial intelligence across defense and security for various applications is largely due to its operational superiority in harsh environments. Additionally, the growing awareness of AI for the defense forces in the emerging economies such as China, India, and Russia has propelled the growth of military AI and cybernetics markets globally, end quote. And that's it for today's AI. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.